Hey everybody, it's Leon of Body Mind 360, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for the Very Berry Shakeology shake. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and I'm going to go step by step over how to put it together, what the ingredients are, and because it always drives me crazy when I see a recipe and I don't know what specific items people used, or what brand or where I can get them, I'm going to provide you with all that information in this video right after the break. Now again, if you're liking this content, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos drop. Now let's go ahead and get blending. Alright guys, here we go. This recipe is so simple. Even if you're somebody like me that's not big on cooking or making things, not very skilled at that, you can still do this. Now I've pre-measured some items for you and I'm going to put it all together, go piece by piece. So you're going to take a blender, and what you're going to start with is, I like mixing the ice first, so I got 1 cup measured out of ice. Put that in there. Next, I like using the Kirkland Signature Blend 3 Berry Blend. Really cost effective, really good quality actually for the money. Add that right here. Again, a full cup. Want to get all those antioxidants, all that good nutrition. Next, I also use the organic strawberries from Kirkland. Again, another item you can get just straight from Costco, locally. Mix that in. Already looking pretty good in there. Now after that, we're going to use 1 scoop of the Shakeology powder. I use the vanilla. You could also, there's a strawberry or berry flavored one, but I like this since it works with so many different potential recipes. Mix that in. Okay, and finally, I add 1 cup of water. Okay. I want to seal it up. Okay. And now, with the magic of editing, I'm going to go ahead and blend this up, and we'll take a look what it looks like and what it tastes like. All right, and voila, just like that, with some editing magic, we have a blended smoothie here. Now, I happen to use a Vitamix blender. They have a nice smoothie setting, but you can use any kind of blender you have. It might take 45 seconds to a minute, depending on the strength. You're going to just need to watch the consistency. Now, if you use the ratios I did, it's going to be a little bit of a thicker smoothie consistency, as you can kind of see here. Smoothie, almost like a shake-like consistency. But what's nice about this combination is that it doesn't include any extra milk, any type of dairy products, anything to add either lactose or extra unnecessary calories. You just have the water, you have the ice, you have the frozen berries, and the powder. Let's take a look at this consistency as it comes out. It's going to be a good amount. So as you can see here, it looks really, really nice. Really, really nice consistency. So you're going to fill this container and you're going to have some leftovers. Just like that. Boom. And let's take a taste. Absolutely delicious and nutritious. I'm going to put on the screen the nutritional breakdown, and I'm going to do all the math for you. So I'm going to include the statistics if you do the full cup of berries of the 3 berry blend, the full cup of the organic strawberries, as well as the protein powder, so you can put that recipe and statistics into your favorite tracker. So again, hope you guys enjoy that. Give it a shot. If again you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button for future videos. And really looking forward to sharing my next video with you guys. As always, looking forward to talk to you next time on your journey to a healthier body and mind.